Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to become a ClickUp consultant. In order to do so, keep watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to become a ClickUp consultant, go open a web browser, type in clickup.com/consultants and press the enter. Now in this page, you can either connect with a consultant or you can become a consultant yourself. Click on Become a Consultant link in order to become one. Go through the information on what it has to say before beginning, and now you'll need to fill out the questionnaire. Click on this link. Go ahead and answer all the questions starting by your name, your business, email, and much more. After typing your name in the first 6 field and to your business email the next, now answer which of the following best fits you. Go to the next text field, and if you chose other in this option, you can go ahead and describe it right here. Now answer, how does your service create great value for the customers? Go ahead and enter your experience with the consulting. Fill out all the forms below and click on Done. After fill up the forms, you need to create a profile for the website. Click on the secure link over here and enter your public profile information and your name in the first text field. Now after you do that, go ahead and enter an email address that you have an access to. Select your primary language. If you provide your service with any other languages, you can list them below here, and your location on the next text field, and fill out the rest of the informations. If you'd like to attach a file, click on Browse and drop the file over here in the box and click on Submit. After you do that, you'll be able to become a consultant on ClickUp. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.